Hi girls, I'm Valentina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another one, Polene unboxing. Ever since I purchased this beauty right here, my mini NEUF in sandalwood, I loved it so much and I've worn it so often these couple of months. I really was very curious about the regular size. This is a very cute and practical bag, but it is kind of small, so I ordered the regular size as well. Let's open this. This wasn't a pre-order, so I didn't have to wait for such a long time for it to arrive. And here it is. It's in the dust bag. Okay. And just by opening this dust bag, I can really feel the smell of the real leather. And here it is. Ooh. I love this. I love the quality, the texture, the leather. Again, the same as the mini version, such a unique and original design. Let's move these things. Okay, there is a lot of paper inside. And this is how it looks from the inside. There is a strap inside, which I don't think that I will be using. I barely use the mini one with the strap. I don't think I will be using it because it does seem pretty big with the strap. It has a little pocket right here inside where you can put maybe your keys or something else. There is the logo right here as well. Polene, made in Spain. This is handmade in Spain, real calf leather. It comes with this little tag with more information about the bag and the maintenance instructions. It says that the leather selected by Polene require little maintenance to maintain its original appearance, avoid prolonged exposure to direct light, heat, contact with water, grease, perfumes, cosmetics. If wet, absorb excess with soft cloth and let it dry. It's not necessary to apply a cleaning cream, not overload the bag. If necessary, Polene offers a repair service, and it is composition, full grain, textured calf leather with 100% cotton lining. I got it in cognac color. I love this color. I think it's going to go so well with everything. I'm gonna compare it with camel. I have a CYME bag, Polene CYME right here. I'm gonna compare it so that you can see the difference. So here is CYME in camel, and then there is the NEUF in regular size in cognac. This one is a bit more dark and brown. And here is the comparison of both of them, the regular and the mini. So here they are. I don't know why the mini version looks so much bigger on the camera. You can see that it is pretty small bag, and this one looks pretty huge. It's not that big. I would say that it is like a regular sized bag. So far, I think that I prefer much more this size because I feel like it stands out more. There's more of it. It is such a lovely size. There is, of course, the Polene logo here, then right here on this side, and as I've said, from the inside. Let's see what I can fit here. I have my glasses here, my makeup bag where I carry all of my lipsticks, my lip gloss, my mirror, car keys, my wallet, and my phone. This is how it looks from inside. There is still plenty of space. I'm gonna close it. It's closed, and this is the shape. It didn't lose its shape at all. It's not too heavy though. And this is how it looks like on me. I'm gonna put the strap on. So this is how it looks like with the strap. I don't think I will be wearing it like this. I feel like it is too big. Some people will be okay with wearing it like this, but this is not for me. I don't really carry bags this size with the strap on. I feel like it's just too big. I prefer to carry it much more like this, or just like this in my hand. I loved everything about it. I'm so happy with my purchase. This is going to be one of my most worn bags, I'm sure of it. I'm gonna try and see if my iPad Air can fit here. Okay. It can fit, but it doesn't look very nice, so I don't think I will be carrying my iPad here. Maybe if I put it like this, but I'm just not going to do this right now to my new bag. I will definitely use CYME for my iPad, laptop, and for more stuff. If you're in dilemma between sizes, if you don't know whether to get the regular or the mini size, my advice would be, if you're looking for something to carry daily, something more practical, definitely choose the mini one, because it's going to look better with the strap. It's smaller, it is just more practical. If you need to carry more stuff, then of course get this one. But as I've said, I don't think I will carry this one with the strap, so it's not going to be as practical as the mini one. And if you don't care about that, then I would recommend that you get the regular size, because as I've said, it just stands out more. And as I've said, I feel like the mini version looks much bigger on the videos and on the photos than it actually is. Let me know down below in the comments which size you prefer. Let me know as well which is your favorite Polene bag model. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.